I got money on my mind, I'm just trying to get some dough. I ain't picking up my line, unless it's money on the phone. Gotta get it on the daily, all I want is dubs, you know what I'm on. I've been chasing after paper, all I know is blood money marathons. I got money on my mind, I'm just trying to get some dough. I ain't picking up my line, unless it's money on the phone. Gotta get it on the daily, all I want is dubs, you know what I'm on. I've been chasing after paper.
Sit. Follow. Good boy, sit. Yo guys, meet Morty. This is my student for the day. This is who we're gonna work with today. We're gonna teach him a couple simple lessons to come respond to his name. Simple things like that. He's already a good boy. He sits automatically. He's pretty good with staying. But I'm gonna show him something today. So y'all look, it's this simple, you heard? Probably like 35, 40 minutes. You gotta distract the dog and have him come back to his owner instantly. Come here. Now have the owner call him back,
Morty, come. Good boy.
Now you praise it.
Good
Praise it.
boy.
Right back. Hold him. Hold him.
Morty, come. Morty, come. Come. Hey.
Rub his head. A good way to have the dog respond to you by instant command is showing him this. Look, come here. Morty. Come on, come on. Come on. Now what you do is have the owner call him back. Morty.
Come. Morty, come.
Now you have him call him.
Good.
Good job. Now you have him call him back strictly by his name. Morty. 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 Good boy. Good boy, Morty. Morty, good boy, Morty. And that's how you gotta teach them back and forth. You gotta go back and forth a couple times, and they'll get it instantly. Strictly by their name. Nothing else. Not Morty come, Morty come over here, Morty. It's just Morty.
Gotta get it on the daily, all I want is dubs, you know what I'm on. I've been chasing after paper, all I know is blood money marathon.
I've been on my grind, getting to the bag, putting it in since a young nigga. It's not what you do, it ain't what